Hello everyone. Today we will talk about welding, what it is and how it works. What is welding? Welding is a process used to join two pieces of metal together. In this process, we use heat. The heat melts the metal, and when it cools down, it joins strongly. This makes a very strong joint. How welding works. For welding, we use a welding machine. It has a rod called an electrode. When we turn on the machine, it creates a spark. This spark produces very high heat, which melts the metal. Then we slowly move the rod along the joint, and both pieces get joined together. Uses of welding. Welding is used in many places, like making cars, building houses, and in different machines. Safety. Safety is very important in welding. Always wear gloves and a helmet. Outro. So friends, this was a simple explanation of welding. I hope you understood it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.